Who wrote Ramayana?
Valmiki.
In which language Ramayana did composed?
Sanskrit.
Father of Rama?
Dasharatha.
Mother of Rama?
Kausalya.
Brother of Rama?
Lakshmana.
In which kingdom Rama did rule?
Ayodhya.
Rama's wife?
Sita.
Who kidnapped Sita?
Ravana.
Ravana's sister name?
Shurpanakhi.
In which god Ravana did worship?
Shiva.
Which animal helped to save Sita?
Monkey.
Which bird helped to save Sita?
Jatayu.
Theme of Ramayana?
Duty, honor, and loyalty. My next topic is mathematics.
What is mathematics?
The study of numbers, shape, pattern, quantity, and space.
Main branch of mathematics are
Algebra, number theory, geometry, arithmetic.
father of mathematics.
Archimedes.
Formulas of area. Area of rectangle.
Length into breadth.
Area of circle. Area of square.
Side into side.
Area of triangle.
Half into base into height.
Area of parallelogram.
Base into height.
Area of circle.
Pi square.
Area of semicircle.
Half pi square. Thank you all. Thank you parents. Love you teacher. I love you parents.